Let's switch to Mac. I used to play cricket. Let's talk about this table. My computer is going to be placed on this magnificent oak for about 5 minutes before wifey tells me to tidy my shit up. In true Apple minimalism, nothing is provided. Good thing I have a keyboard and mouse laying around. So the reason I switched is I edit all my pictures on my iPad now. As much as I really despise having to plug into the Apple ecosystem, it does make transferring images a lot easier and much less of a hassle. My old laptop was really struggling to handle the manuscripts I was writing. I remember one paper had 70 references, and now opening it up on my laptop made everything crash. So there's absolutely no way it could handle a thesis. Learning to code in R for statistics as part of my research, and my old laptop again couldn't fully handle everything. The new M1 chip has so far managed to handle everything I've thrown at it, which is great. And of course, Final Cut Pro. The incessant need for Premiere Pro to crash constantly for a 3-minute clip has infuriated me for the last time. So I'm looking forward to testing out Final Cut. Now, I'm new to Mac OS, so if anyone's got any tips, please leave them in the comments below. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you next time.